Welcome to the second stream that I've ever done, and I still have no idea what I'm doing, but hey, we're gonna go along with it. This time I'm actually not gonna forget to get off of the stream starting soon screen. I've learned my lesson. You can now all applaud. For those of you who don't know, I am currently working on a game challenge. You know, keep the music going. I created a list of lots of different... No, we don't like ads. I created a list of a lot of different game dev challenges. Oh, cool. And... yeah, I created a list of many game dev challenges, such as only using one 3D model to make a game. Oop. Only copying and pasting code, hand drawing everything, and only 2 colors on the screen at a time, stuff like that. Very difficult things to do. Or just stuff that I've never done before and I think would be interesting. I don't think HTML5 only is the most difficult thing ever, or text-based game, but I've never done a text-based game before, so who knows? And I rolled that I can only use one 3D model for an entire 3D game. Wow, this music's really loud. Yep, I can only use one 3D model for the entire game. And that 3D model ended up being Bomb on Battlefield from Super Mario 64. Run it back. There we go. That 3D model ended up being Bomb on Battlefield from Mario 64. Yesterday, I worked on creating some lovely 3D models for a Space Invaders style game that I'm gonna make. And today, we're actually gonna have a game. Maybe. Today, we're actually gonna start working on having a game. Hopefully. Anyways, to start with that, let's, I guess I should put ship in here. I mean, let's just start with setting up a scene. I remember that this ship was actually really big. There we go. I haven't even created a camera yet. Anyways, instead of that, let's actually get some music on today. I'm gonna try a different playlist, see if it sounds good. We're gonna be doing some video game lo-fi today. Alright, let's actually create a camera this time around. I think I deleted it last time. That's not a bad spot. I mean, like, honestly, that's actually a pretty good spot for the camera. I can see a lot of stuff from there. Let's just make it solid color black for now, because we're going to make a space background eventually. Probably going to make a space background purely out of Bomb on Battlefield. It'll look great. Trust me. I never have bad ideas. Alright, I guess we just start with making some scripts. Ship controller. Let's just begin with that. There we go. I mean, I guess I could... It's been a while since I've actually coded. Last time I coded was, like, for... the, what's it called? Twitch Plays program that dude used. That was the last time I coded. I think it was, like, right before the stream happened. I was doing a bunch of, like the day or two before that, I was doing a bunch of hot fixes for it because I found a whole bunch of bugs with it, and there's a bunch of stuff I was trying to fix and make better. It was like the last time I actually coded, so I have no idea what I'm doing anymore. Speed. What else do I need? I guess fire rate, because I'm gonna have a gun on this thing. And I guess like usual, I just don't need the start function, because it's utterly useless. That's not entirely true, but I'll bring it back later. I guess just... Oh, that's a mistake. I mean, like, that's how I do it, right? I actually haven't used the transform.translate function in so long. Like, it's actually been years since I last used that, because I've just done everything physics-based. Because, like, the transform function has problems if you have collision in your game. Unless you're doing, like, a lot of fancy checks, but then that's just a lot of code, so why wouldn't you just use, like, rigid body dot velocity? I mean, I think... I mean, okay, let's just move the scene over to here. Well, speed is 0, let's set it to 5. Yep, it's working. Glad it's working. Let's add a... Sure, let's just add an alien in. And just, like, move it really far back. Yeah, like there. Just so I can actually see that the ship's moving. Gonna add the camera to the ship. Actually, no. I'm smarter than that. Never add. Don't do that. I guess I could add just, like, some funky animation to it, where I could do, like, transform.rotation equals dot Euler angles equals quad. Is there 3 dot lerp? This is bad coding practices, by the way, what I'm doing. I shouldn't do this. This is bad practice. Let's go with it anyways. As long as the frame rate doesn't go below, like, 2, should be fine. And then I guess we just do... just horizontal axis times 45. And then something. Yep, that's right. Don't judge me for my coding. It's been a while since I had to use Unity. It's been a few months since I last used it. It'd be over the Z-axis. I want it rotated, yeah. I mean, this should theoretically create at least something when... Well, it's making something. It works in one direction. You know what? You know what? You know what? I can think of a better way to do this. We set a target angle, which is equal to exactly this. And then we can just set a change in angle to... I guess we could just do... max between the rotation speed and then none of that though. I guess it would just be the difference in these Z angles, I guess. Then we can do angles. Just kidding, you can't add two vectors together because Unity hates me. It would be a nice feature, but I do understand why that's not a thing, because it's not mathematically correct, even though I would use that a lot. Dot X. Form dot Euler angles dot Y and yeah. Euler angles dot Z plus... Actually, no. I just thought of a much simpler way to do all this. I don't need any math at all. Well, I still need math, but I could just do a clamp. A clamp would just make it easier. Which one's first? Value, okay. Plus... multiplied by the rotation speed. Negative 45 to 45, I believe. Much easier. Much less code. Although I'll probably have to add some function onto that. Oh, yeah. I broke it. Oh, never mind. I didn't break it. It's just moving really slowly. Okay, set that to 0.1. Oh. Oh. Is it? Okay, as soon as it goes negative. Yeah, as soon as it goes negative, it wants negative 45. Or... it goes back up to 45. I think it's trying to go between 225 and 45 degrees. Now there's two ways I could fix this. I could either put the ship... I could rotate the ship 90 degrees so I don't have to do extra math. And then put it inside of another game object. Or I could do the math properly. Unfortunately, doing math properly isn't fun. Okay. Okay. Actually, I should look this up. I am just a test. We are going to set this to like that's like 45 degrees, right? That's negative 45 degrees. It's around there, I think. We're just gonna set it and see what it... Oh, wait. That's not it. Huh? Okay, I don't understand why the math's not working. I don't understand why this is not working. Unless I did this clamp wrong. Min value, max value. I mean, that is what it is. If I remove the clamp, because like this isn't, none of this is making sense. Welcome to debugging, where you don't understand why something's not working. Oh, I have a problem. Cannot convert float int to float. Oh, the rest of the clamp function's still there. And then there's just an extra bracket. Okay. Okay, I mean, that direction always worked. This direction works as well. Math is hard. Okay, so... why doesn't this work? Why does this not work? I'm confused. Watch, it's gonna work now. No, it didn't. I don't know why it's doing this. If I remove the clamp function, it just... If I remove the clamp function, it just works. Why? I mean... I could just add a check afterwards. .z is... I could just check the absolute value of it. Is greater than 45. There we go. The most hacky way of doing a clamp function ever, because I don't know why Unity's clamp function is broken right now. And also this needs to be negative. But that's besides the point. Alright. That direction works. Okay, I have a theory. Bear with me. Actually, I'm gonna go back. There. We're bringing this one back. I'm wondering if Unity is telling me that the angle is in the negatives, but it's really just... Ugh. Yep. Yep, no. Yep. That sure is, Yep, that sure is. Exactly what I thought it would be. Ugh. Or, I guess, I don't even know what this function I'm gonna call it. I'm just... If angle is greater than 180 degrees, return angle minus 360. Perfect. Beautiful coding with absolutely no problems with it whatsoever. Don't you dare ever judge me on my coding. Okay. Now I have to figure out... Now I have to recode all of this again. Well, I guess what I could do is, plus... I could just do all the math right here. And now I can use the clap function. Let's go. My math is actually working today. And I can get rid of that. Perfect. Now, if this doesn't work first try, well, I guess this doesn't count as first try, but if this doesn't work right now, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do something. Alright. Nothing happened. I can't move it at all. Nothing's happening. Except, did the flames disappear? Was that all that happened? No, it was just it flickering, probably. Okay. We're removing the clamp function again. We're setting this really high. Okay, that wasn't my fault. That wasn't my fault. Wait. Wait. We're going back. Wait. Maybe it actually did work. See? Greatest programmer of all time. Oh, wait, I have to check the other side as well. Oh, oh, never mind. Why did that take so long? Actually, I do know why, because I had no idea what was wrong the entire time. Anyways, it actually did work first try. I never lose bets. Most of the time. Anyways, let's dial in these numbers, make them look a little nicer. Oh. Ah, yes. I forgot that was a thing. Well, I guess the Y position is always 0. And so is the Z position. I can just set it like that. And then... just fat-fingered the keyboard. And this is why I never use transform.translate. Sometimes. At least today, it's why I'm not using transform.translate. See? Perfect. Except that you can see straight through. Honestly, I have a fix for that. That needs to be faster, though. Like 200? That also needs a lot of smoothing. Yeah, that looks very unnatural. And it's gonna be probably somewhere like 300. And also 45 is way too much. And then 10. Yeah, I think the biggest thing is, like, you need, like, a nice curve for the movement. That's simple to do. That's just a... What kind of function is that? Oh, no. Like, the function would actually look more like this. Would it? That's a slurp function, right? I'm not crazy. At least I don't think I'm crazy. It's a slurp function, right? I think I'm going crazy. S-Lerp? That's probably only a thing with vectors. Well, time to crack open Desmos. Because I can visualize the function right now, but I just can't think. Like, it'll start at 1, at 0, and then it'll fade out. I don't remember that function's called, though. Like, over... no, it's more like a... Is it a sigmoid? No, a sigmoid's different. Sigmoid is very different. Because, like, 1... It hits 1 and 1 at the points, but it's got... It's an ease in-out curve, I know that much. Maybe I'm just crazy. Maybe there is actually no function for this. Maybe I'm just going crazy. You know what? We're just gonna do a linear fade. We're not gonna ease it. It's gonna be very linear. That would be... Hmm. Well, I mean, I know what the function would be if I ran it in Desmo, so it would just be negative. It would just be negative x minus 1. And then it would just be an abs function over all of it. Well, that's not true. Actually, no, it wouldn't be. Yeah, it wouldn't be. I'm crazy. Huh. You know what? I need to think. Wait, I made this function before. I actually even like the easing one. It stems from the sigmoid function. What is it, like 1 over 1 minus e to the power of x or something like that? No. What is a sigmoid function? Used to be one of my favorite mathematical functions, which sounds weird, but is true. 1 plus, not 1 minus. There it is. And for the one that I want... Is it this one? This variation? Divided by... plus 1? Is that the variation I want? No, that's the one that's centered. Anyways, I had a function for using this once before. You can, fun fact, you can actually perfectly recreate a sine wave using only the sigmoid function. Something I did back in high school. It was a fun time. High school was a fun time, not recreating functions. I'm trying to figure out this one. I mean, like, okay. Okay, I mean, it says that. And then B equals... one minus A of X. Huh? That's not what I'm looking for. Maybe these are all B's? Okay, there it is. I told you there was an equation for it somewhere. That's the equation I'm looking for. Probably no one's watching because I'm just going over math stuff. I know that I need the variable s. Because, like, that lets me control the easing. I'm guessing around 4.5 is probably going to be good. All right, time to implement this into code. Good luck. Load get smoothing. Float T. All right. We start with sigmoid with float X, which is, I'm actually just going to call it what I have it in my Desmos. All right. All right, get your calculator hats on because this is about to get tricky. 1 divided by 1 plus math f dot e x p to the power of x minus oh, I forgot to multiply this by s float slope equals 4.5f-ish. Slope times x. And then this is just... I guess I use this enough that I can just do... No, nope, can't do that. Simplicity's sake. Leaving it this way. Okay, here, though. Alright, EXP divided by EXP plus 1. Oh, here. Sweet. Then we have float B, which has an input of X as well, which returns... I just realized I haven't had music running this whole time. One minus A negative X. And then float C. I guess we can just return this. Which is B of T multiplied by 1. How does it know? It just knows that I want this. Okay. What was I doing again? See? It's just that easy. It only takes is PhD in mathematics, I don't know. Alright, does this look better or does it look absolutely horrendous? Which line? I have never seen this error before. Line 21. Is there something wrong with this one? Probably. This is peculiar. I've never seen that error before. Somehow I feel like it's an error that's gonna go away and I have no idea why it went away. Not a number. Is it this number that's messing it up? Probably. And if it's good as that number, that's gonna be fun to fix. Yep, it is that number. Alright, here we go. Get smoothing, float T. P times T, that's accurate. Which is 1 minus 8 of negative X. That is accurate. Well, I guess I don't need those brackets. I wonder if it's just this number here. It's the most likely number to fail. Or most likely function to fail. Huh. Yes, it is. Not a number. What if it's just this here? I found the problem. We're dividing by 0. Actually, I'm gonna make that even lower. I'm gonna make it 30. We're dividing by 0. But now we have a completely different problem. The rotation speed is there. Why is it not rotating? Now it is. Oh. Huh? It's just 0. It is rotated -1 degrees. Huh? Is there... Is there something wrong with this statement? Oh! 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 I know. We need to use this function. Because this thinks it's 300 degrees, which is really far off on the smoothing scale. Watch this. Fix that. It's gonna work first try. It's just gonna work first try, that's it. Okay, well the function looks terrible. But it worked. Yeah, that smoothing function looks terrible. Why? Yeah, we're just gonna delete it. I'm gonna act like it doesn't exist. Alright. I have an idea. I take the absolute value of this. And divide it by max rotation. And I do a... Let me just test this real quick to make sure it'll work. And then we'd put it through a function. Plus 1. That is a linear smoothing. Should be, at least. It's still got a ridge to it. You know what? No smoothing calculations at all. We're just gonna... We're just gonna do it till it looks good. Like, that's too fast. 200? Good enough. Good enough for now. I also realized that the speed's wrong on it. Okay. Let's animate the flames on the back. Let's do that. And I also need a public. Flames, dots. Local scale equals new. Let's just hard code it. Let's just hard code it. I feel too lazy to make a lot of public stuff. 0.35 and 6. Random.value, right? Yeah. Times max flame scale. Boom. Animated flames. This is gonna look terrible, isn't it? Ooh, that's rough. We also gotta rotate them. I don't know how to use the rotate function. Rotation. Local rotation. Equals new vector. 3. What is its rotation? 90, 180, I mean... Oh, that's not... Huh? Wait. Huh? You know, if I knew how quaternions work, that would actually be a lot easier to work with. I'm gonna stick with the scale. I'm not gonna do anything else. We're also gonna add a minimum flame scale. Perfect. Beautiful. 4. This is good enough. Good enough for a low quality game made out of nothing but bomb on battlefield. Alright, perfect. And then the camera. Ugh. I need to get the camera to follow. Can't have overlapping names. Alright, cam dot. I already have transform. How do I want it to chase? I don't want to use a lerp function because those always suck every time I use them. It always looks jittery. You know what? I'm just gonna get it to follow tightly. If I want to add more features in the future, like add some visual fidelity to it, then I can do that later on. I don't need to do it right now. Perfect. Perfection. Except for one thing. This guy actually moves really slow. 20 is still slow. 40? Yeah, let's go 50. Nice. Cool. I think. Let's make this ship shoot some bullets. Well, now I need to make a laser. Time to bring in Bob on Battlefield again. Yeah, that looks like a laser, right? I mean, you just take that, add a bunch of motion blur onto it, and boom, you got a Star Wars laser. I do actually think I have to use my own in-house shader, though. It adds some texture to it if I use the outline. What if I use flat outline? I mean, if I use 0.2? Could work. I should set up the gradients, though. Like, yeah, something like that, and then... There we go. There we go. Perfect. Laser. It actually doesn't look that bad. For a laser. For only using bomb on battlefield. Although I will say its highlights... You know what? Its highlights are fine. The shadows are messing it up. In fact, I actually like that. Good enough, good enough, good enough. Stop touching it. Let's bring the ship back. What is a good size for this laser? Yeah, it can be a little bigger than that. 2? Yeah, that's good enough size. I think that's good enough. All right. 9 and -1. And 42. Sounds about right. Okay. Back to coding. Get button down. I think there's a fire button by default. And gun. No, I think this is just quaternion.0. Or identity in this case. Beauty. Odds of this working first try? Usually about 5%. This is probably not going to work. Input button fire is not set up. Oh. Well then. It's not in here. Preferences? Where is it? Is it in project settings and I just missed it? Input manager, there it is. Fire 1, fire 2, and fire 3. Left control or mouse 0. I for gore. Alright. It's gonna work second try, though. There it is. How many of these until I crash my game? We're gonna be here a while crashing this. Wait. This is the wrong music for trying to crash this. Let me find a better song. Sure. I am clicking as fast as I can. Ugh. What's the frame rate at? I have no idea where the frame rate is. Oh. Still at 120. You know what I think the problem is? There's not enough lasers on the screen. We go back and forth, sweeping like this. Why is our frame rate still so good? Maybe I should put an epilepsy warning on this. Oh, I think our frame rate might be going down. Oh, I saw it go down to 100 for a frame. Okay, we're making progress. Are we gonna get over 1 million triangles on screen as well? Oh, we hit 1 million triangles. But can we hit 2 million? I haven't seen it drop below 100. Oh, it dropped below 100. You know what? I call that a success. We did, in fact, drop below 100 frames per second. I call that a success. Okay, cool. But the average person won't be crashing this game, so I think it'll be fine. Alright. Back to some more normal game development. Oh, lasers, yes. I guess it's just that. And then zero. Is that negative on the z-axis? No, it would be positive. I don't know, 10. Come on. No compiler errors. Laser behavior, mono behavior. Oh, probably because I don't have... Actually, that still doesn't make sense. Because the script class cannot be found. This is a weird error. One of the many reasons that I keep wanting to ditch Unity, because it has so many obscure errors that just get added every single update with Unity. None of them get patched. I have... It's... Copy. Paste. Okay, it's the same name. I might have to restart Unity. This might be just restart it And it'll all work. Unless I go... I thought there was a recompile button there. Yeah, this looks like a reopen Unity sort of section. So, in the meantime, you can enjoy this wonderful "We'll be right back" screen. Oh yeah, look at those dance moves while I'm definitely not showing off personal information on screen as I restart Unity. And we're back! Welcome back! Alright, wait. It's the moment of truth. Did restarting Unity fix a random bug with Unity that I just came across? Okay. I really should find a game engine different than Unity that I should start programming in. I really do actually want to leave Unity. Because stuff like that happens all the time. It's just random errors that have nothing to do with my own coding. But anyways, in the meantime, let's keep going. Because, I don't want to learn anything other than C#, so I'm kind of stuck with Unity for now. Oh yeah, I forgot to add a box collider to this. Sure, let's keep it really generous. Oh. The lasers have gravity. Whee! Use gravity, no. And then, other than that, it's just... These are traveling way too slow. Alright, let's see if those changes... That's actually a decent speed. Although, for how big they are, I might want them to move, like, twice as fast. But they're working! How many triangles can I get on screen again? Well. How many triangles can I get on screen? I'm just kidding, I'm not doing that bit again. It is working now. I guess I just want it to alternate cannons, I guess, then. I guess I can just do this. Nice. I also should add a cooldown on the gun being fired. Not 100% sure how I'm gonna do that. Beautiful. Sweet. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Cool down. I guess I can just do something like... And I can also just switch this to get button. Last shot, plus fire rate is less than time.time, I believe. Then I believe last shot equals time.time. Yeah, I mean, that's like the easiest way to do that. Do a cooldown, right? And then I can just set the fire rate to be like... 0.5 seconds in between. That seems balanced. Cool. Although I do think the fire rate could be faster. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I wonder if the lasers will look better if I spawn them there. I still see them coming through the back. Alright, 60. 60, that's gotta be a good spot, right? Ooh. Still not far enough forwards. I'm gonna do something. I am going to... I'm gonna write something for adjusting the scale over time. That might fix how it looks. So then I'll just start with, like, the... set the scale to, like... 1. Scale equals new vector 3. 1, 1, and then the math happens here. And then let's just say that it happens over the span of 1 second, so literally exactly that. Perfect. It's probably going to be more like half a second it happens over, but that seems reasonable. All right. You still have these big ones showing up here. I probably need to set and start like form dot scale equals something like that. Times 5, I guess. Just make it happen faster. Okay, it's better. Not quite. Times 10. 10th of a second. For how fast they're moving, that actually should work. Because they're moving like 100 units a second. Roughly. Okay, that one actually... That effect actually looks kind of cool, though. Even though it's unintentional. These things are getting so long. Length of 2. Oh. Yeah. I see my mistake. There we go. That looks good. Perfect. Perfection. I mean, like, what next? I guess, like, alien hit detection? I guess alien behavior now. No, on the ship I actually need to... I need to make it that it can't just move either direction infinitely. Say for like 20 meters each direction-ish. Sweet. Alright. Aliens. Hello, you again? Hello, Dan. Right now I am staring at a coding screen and I'm like, wait, what do I need to do again? So that how it go. Although I will show you what I have. Even though you didn't ask, so I'm just gonna invasively show you what I'm doing. So I have this moving back and forth within a range. Oh, wait. This is wrong. Just Bob? I don't know who Bob is. I hate to break it to you. Non-sensual showing you game cringe. Absolutely. Anyways, ship can now move back and forth. The highest quality bomb on battlefield ship you have ever seen in your entire life. Plus, you can also shoot lasers. Yep. I am continuing the trend that everything has still created out of bomb on battlefield. Also, that song just had Kirby screaming in the background. What was that? Anyways, now I'm trying to do something with the aliens, but I forgot what I'm trying to do with them. So, how is that bomb on battlefield? Which one? How is which one not bomb on battlefield? Because, I mean, if I go into the alien and take that chunk of it and I scale it to 1 by 1 by 1, I mean, it looks a lot like Bomb on Battlefield to me. All? I mean, if I go to this mustache now and I go, oh, whoop, 1 by 1 by 1, I mean, that kind of looks like Bomb on Battlefield to me. And then all of them? I don't think I need to go over all of them. This front gun of the ship, if I set to 1 by 1 by 1 and then I unrotate it, I mean, that's Bomb on Battlefield. It's even got the floating island right there, the cannon right there. There's another cannon over there, but you can't see it right now. Yeah, everything's made of Bomb on Battlefield. Even these flat parts here, these are also made of Bomb on Battlefield. You can kind of see the wireframing there. Those are also made of it. Yeah, everything's made out of Bomb on Battlefield. It's beautiful. You have pretty low standards for games. Not gonna lie. I don't think you've, played... honestly, I don't think you've played a game before if you think this is beautiful. Like, go on Steam, buy any game, and you don't even need to buy a game, just go onto Steam and find a free game. It'll probably look better than this. Honestly, I should... You know what? Tomorrow's stream, when I work on it, I'm gonna set that as the, I'll set that as the, thumbnail. I'll set that as the thumbnail for tomorrow. In fact, let's just open up Krita. Alright, let's look for a meme template. Here it is. We're making a thumbnail now. New. Beautiful. I need to put a helmet on one of these guys. I need it to be also transparent. These are all like Skyrim helmets. These are nothing close to... You know what? This one could work. This one could work. And then... let's make that brush quite a bit smaller. Okay, have fun, back to my work. Send me the thumbnail when you're done. Okay, I will do. I'll send it to you when I'm finished. I probably won't be streaming for much longer anyways. I have no focus right now. Man, how does this meme format go? It's just Arial font. It might be Calibri. Pretty sure it's Arial, though. Oh yeah, that's Arial. And then 36. Oh, whoa, whoa, that's huge. I might have to make this taller. How do I add a line break? Oh. Alright. Image, resize canvas. We're gonna set this to like 540. Constrain proportion. Does it stretch? I think it does stretch this. That didn't do anything. Oh, it doesn't stretch. All right. I am going to have to go to a different screen while I save this so I don't accidentally leak anything. So, let me stop the music and... Don't worry, very important things are happening in the background right now. We will be right back with you. Right after this word from our, Anyways, we're back. I saved it. Alright, well... It's been about 2 hours. I'm actually kind of tired right now, so I am probably going to call it there because I still have a few days left before I have to finish this game. So if you enjoyed watching, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Don't forget to absolutely abolish that subscribe button with whatever power tools you have lying around in your house. And thanks for watching!